Ginger is a spice that has been used for centuries for its medicinal and culinary purposes. It has many health benefits, such as anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and antioxidant properties. It may also help with weight loss, arthritis, menstrual symptoms, and more. Benefits of ginger. Ginger can relieve nausea. Ginger can reduce inflammation. Ginger can improve digestion. Ginger can boost immunity. Ginger can lower blood sugar levels. Ginger can help with weight loss. Ginger can reduce menstrual pain. Ginger can relieve headaches. Ginger can improve brain function. Ginger can lower cholesterol levels. Ginger can reduce muscle pain. Ginger can improve heart health. Ginger can reduce the risk of cancer. Ginger can help with respiratory problems. Ginger can reduce stress and anxiety. However, ginger is not a silent killer, nor is it a superfood. The term superfood is not a scientific one, but a marketing one, used to influence food trends and sell products. There is no single food that can provide all the nutrients and health benefits that a person needs. A balanced and varied diet is the best way to achieve optimal health. Ginger is a safe and healthy spice for most people, but it may have some side effects or interactions for some individuals. For example, ginger may not be suitable for people who are pregnant, have bleeding disorders, or take certain medications. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a doctor before taking large amounts of ginger or ginger supplements. In conclusion, ginger is neither a silent killer nor a superfood, but a spice that has many health benefits and some potential risks. You can enjoy ginger in moderation as part of a healthy diet, but do not expect it to cure or prevent any diseases.